Hi everyone, my name is Tommy, and I'm a little bit crazy. Hi everyone, I just woke up. Everyone, have you seen my best friend Sparky? He's lost. Yeah. Have you seen Sparky? Mommy, have you seen Sparky anywhere? No. Sparky's my dog. Yeah. He was running like this. Hi everyone, I'm back. Tommy.
Hey guys. Hold on.
Where are you coming from?
I'm just having my salad.
Oh, okay. Hi.
Hi. Your shoe tastes like you stepped in something dirty. What the heck was that? It's spicy.
Yeah. You know. Yeah. Oh, the chicken nuggets are here.
Chicken nuggets. It looks like pork chops.
Yeah, you know. Put that back.
I like pork chops. Pork chops and applesauce.
Do you want applesauce?
No.
Applesauce. 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 Applesauce.
Wish you were late.
Guys,
Hi, guys.
me and Tommy.
Tommy. That's me. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
Yeah.
Something funny? Do I have a booger? Do I have a booger? Let me see. Guys, do I have a booger? Well, Eli, they're looking at me. They're talking to me right now.
Okay.
Eli, do I have a booger?
No, you don't.
Okay, good. What's this about? How did you bring us all to your attention? Sorry, guys.
I have.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do a video. Pretend we eat.
Wait. We are doing a video.
Who's joking, I should say.
Yeah.
Sounded like
Queen.
Hot quiz.
Yeah. I've been on Instagram.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. We're back.
And Eli.
Oh, wait. Let's tell them. You want to tell them? Should we tell them?
Yeah.
Should we tell them? You ready? JD plays all day.
Jaden plays today.
Like,
Like,
subscribe,
subscribe.
and hit the notification bell down below. Yeah. And you will see more of us. Tell them.
Yeah. And you will see me.
And besides you, the puppets, you will see this guy. Boom. Yeah, that guy right there.
Yeah. Come in.
And I mean, who else? Susie. Yeah, she's great. Susie, you're pulling her hair. Oh, you're rough. I don't like that. He beats us when you're not looking.
And my favorite buddy, Bobby.
Bobby! Hey, guys.
Yeah.
Wait. Guys. Let's tell
Group
them.
huddle.
Group huddle. Okay. Should we tell them? Should we tell them? Hey, boo boo. Okay, guys.
Guys, we're
Guys?
going to Yogi Bear.
Yeah, we're going to Yogi. So stay tuned for more videos. Okay? Cabin reviews. Review of the pond.
Me too.
They add water. What else?
I have
Wait. Videos of Jaden driving.
Yeah.
Yeah. What else?
Me too.
What else? Oh, looping. Lots of looping.
And characters.
Trick-or-treating.
And characters.
And characters. So stay tuned.
That's it.
Like, subscribe, and hit the naughty bell. Yeah, naughty.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Hey, guys. Guess
Hey.
what? Guess what?
Yeah.
Guys, guess what? Mommy is making pork chops!
Pork
Pork chops and
chops!
applesauce! Whoa!
Yeah.
Jaden, are you gonna eat pork chops and applesauce? No. Tommy.
I'm Eli.
I'm done. Don't. Eli,
Yeah.
do you like pork chops and applesauce?
No.
What?
Do you?
Yes. Daddy
What do you
likes
like about it?
it. They're fried
Ooh.
and applesauce.
Uh-huh. Susie,
Is
what
this
do you
guy
like
crazy or
this?
something? Is he crazy or something? I think he's crazy. You know what? You know what Jaden eats?
Yeah.
Chicken nuggets and French fries. And pasta.
And pasta.
And guess what he don't
And
like?
chicken nuggets.
Guess what you don't like? I don't like broccoli. Duh.
I don't like broccoli because this is my broccoli son. Bleh.
Blah. Say like a short. Say it. I don't like broccoli. Blah.
Hi.
Yeah, and the nanny stuff too, right? Say it.
Shout out to Nanny.
Nanny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's coming.
Guys, pork chops and
Guys.
applesauce.
Guys, do you notice? My nanny is coming to Yogi.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Nanny?
Mhm.
Come here, Yogi.
Mhm.
Can I still go? Yeah.
You can shout out Uncle John
Hey, shout out to Uncle John. Yeah. And the
and the
horse.
guy
And the horses. Oh, and Diane!
and then Marie. Mhm.
Shout out to Diana Marie. Yeah.
And the Tate.
Shout out to Chate.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And guys,
Guys,
I have some tap dance.
stop dance. Wait, check out my jizz. Wow, I'm going crazy.
Comment.
Comment. Oh, wait, guys, comment down below what kind of videos you like. What do you want to see? More of him doing what?
Breakdancing?
Want to see us break dance?
Bye, guys.
See you later.